We are preparing the zoo for a hurricane. Every hurricane looks a little bit different, so we watch very closely and see what is predicted. And then we always want to prepare for kind of the worst case scenario. We want to make sure we're over prepared. And we have a very comprehensive hurricane plan that outlines every category of hurricane, what animals are going to move where. I would say it's very stressful for the staff, but it's something that we are used to. It's something that we practice. So we are storm ready certified, which is really important. We practice drills. Even when it's not hurricane, we're practicing. We're making sure that we're ready for this.